Hello everyone, it's me Louie Corpus. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. We are going to Middle Quarry to visit Mama. And let's start the car first. Warm up the car. This is my wife's car. And we will check out Baguio City. Tomorrow will be the Panagbenga opening, so February 1. I think we're just gonna stay home cause it's traffic again. So we are here in Camp Allen. We are going there in that mountains, Middle Quarry. If you watch my videos, sometimes I just walk. Going there or going here. There. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. It's me, Louie Corpus. Oh! Okay, so I went to Ukay-Ukay buy jackets for Mama and Tita Fe. We're gonna give it to them. It's only 20 pesos each, so it's in the Ukay-Ukay. Okay, so we are already here in Middle Quarry. This is Fekamungo accounting firm. Hello, Ma. We'll see. I'll pass by here. The back. Here. This is our home. We came from that place, Camp Allen, so we just drove going here. And we will go there again later. We'll go home later, so let's go. Mama gave us food. Chicken. So, hello everyone. We're here. We came from Camp Allen and we are here in Middle Quarry. We are here at home. I just want to wear my sunglasses to look cool. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. Beer below zero, snapback cup. So, this is our house. This is our place in Middle Quarry. Look at the city lights. Baguio is beautiful. That's why I keep on making videos of Baguio. Thank you for watching, enjoying, or I hope you like my videos. Thank you so much. More blessings to all of us. We're just gonna stay a little while and we're gonna go back home. Camp Allen. So let's go.